Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into Python data types, a fundamental concept every Python developer should master. Whether you're preparing for an interview or just brushing up on your skills, these questions and answers will help you understand the nuances of Python data types. What are the built-in data types in Python? Answer: Python provides several built-in data types that are essential for programming. These include integers, int, whole numbers, for example, 5, 3. Floating point numbers, float, numbers with decimal points, for example, 3.14, 0.001. Strings, str, sequences of characters, for example, hello, world. Lists, list, ordered, mutable collections of items, for example, 1, 2, 3, Python. Tuples, tuple, ordered, immutable collections, for example, 1, 2, 3. Dictionaries, dict, unordered collections of key value pairs, for example, name, Alice, age, 25. Sets, set, unordered collections of unique items, for example, 1, 2, 3. Booleans, bool, represents true or false. What is a list in Python? Answer: a list is a versatile data structure in Python that allows you to store an ordered collection of items. Lists are mutable, meaning you can change their content after creation. Example: my_list equals 1, 2, 3, Python, 3.14. Use case: lists are ideal for scenarios where you need to maintain an ordered collection of items, such as a list of student names or a shopping cart in an e-commerce application. How do you create a tuple, and what is its main characteristic? Answer: a tuple is created by placing a comma-separated sequence of items within parentheses. The key characteristic of a tuple is its immutability. Once created, you cannot modify its content. Example: my_tuple equals 1, 2, 3. What is the difference between a list and a tuple? Answer: the primary difference between lists and tuples lies in their mutability. Lists are mutable, meaning you can add, remove, or change items after creation. My_list equals 1, 2, 3. My_list 0 equals 10. Valid tuples are immutable, meaning once they are created, their content cannot be altered. My_tuple equals 1, 2, 3. My_tuple 0 equals 10. Invalid, raises type error. What is a dictionary in Python? Answer: a dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pairs, where each key is unique. Dictionaries are mutable, allowing you to add, remove, or change key value pairs. Example: my_dict equals name, Alice, age, 25. Use case: dictionaries are perfect for scenarios where you need to associate values with unique keys, such as storing user profiles or configuration settings. How do you access values in a dictionary? Answer: you can access values in a dictionary using their corresponding keys. If the key exists, it returns the associated value; otherwise, it raises a key error. Example: name equals my_dict name, hash returns Alice. Use case: this feature is useful for quickly retrieving user information based on unique identifiers, such as usernames or IDs. What is a set in Python? Answer: a set is an unordered collection of unique items. Sets are mutable, meaning you can add or remove items, but they do not allow duplicate entries. Example: my_set equals 1, 2, 3, 3, hash results in 1, 2, 3. Use case: sets are particularly useful for operations involving uniqueness, such as removing duplicates from a list or performing mathematical set operations like union and intersection. What are strings in Python? Answer: strings are sequences of characters enclosed in quotes. They are immutable, meaning once created, their content cannot be changed. Example: my_string equals hello, world. How do you concatenate strings in Python? Answer: strings can be concatenated using the plus operator, which combines two or more strings into one. Example: greeting equals hello ++ world. Hash results in hello world. What is the difference between is and equals in Python? Answer: the is operator checks for object identity, meaning it checks whether two references point to the same object in memory. The equals operator checks for value equality, meaning it checks whether the values of two objects are the same. Example equals 1, 2, 3b equals ac equals a, print a is b, hash true, both refer to the same object print a equals c, hash true, both have the same content print a is c, hash false, c is a different object. What is the purpose of the len function? Answer: the len function returns the number of items in an object, such as a list, string, or dictionary. Example: length of list equals len my list, hash returns the number of elements in my list. Use case: this function is commonly used to determine the size of collections, which is essential for loops and conditional statements. How do you convert a string to an integer? Answer: you can convert a string representation of a number to an integer using the int function. If the string cannot be converted, it raises a value error. Example: num equals int 10, hash results in the integer 10. Use case: this is useful when processing user input, where numbers are often received as strings. What is a Boolean data type? Answer: a Boolean represents one of two values, true or false. It is often used in conditional statements to control the flow of a program. Example is _active equals true. How do you check the type of a variable in Python? Answer: you can check the type of a variable using the type function, which returns the type of the object. Example: variable _type equals type my list, hash returns. What is typecasting in Python? Answer: typecasting is the process of converting one data type to another. Python provides several built-in functions for this purpose, such as int, float, and str. Example: float _value equals float 10 hash converts integer 10 to float 10.0. What are the mutable and immutable data types in Python? Answer: mutable data types can be changed after creation, while immutable data types cannot. Mutable types, lists, you can add, remove, or change items. Dictionaries, you can modify key value pairs. Sets, you can add or remove elements. Immutable type strings, once created, you cannot change their content. Tuples, their elements cannot be modified. How do you create a list with mixed data types? Answer: lists in Python can hold items of different data types, making them versatile for various applications. Example: mixed _list equals 1, 2, 3.0, true. What is the difference between a shallow copy and a deep copy? Answer: a shallow copy creates a new object but inserts references into it to the objects found in the original. A deep copy creates a new object and recursively adds copies of nested objects. Example: import copy original equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shallow equals copy. Copy original hash shallow copy. Deep equals copy. Deep copy original hash deep copy. How do you remove duplicates from a list? Answer: you can remove duplicates by converting the list to a set and then back to a list, as sets do not allow duplicate entries. Example: my list equals 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. Unique list equals list set my list, hash results in 1, 2, 3, 4. What is string slicing in Python? Answer: string slicing allows you to extract a portion of a string using a specific syntax, string start end, where start is inclusive and end is exclusive. Example: my string equals hello, world. Substring equals my string 0:5, hash results in hello. How do you find the index of an item in a list? Answer: you can find the index of an item using the index method, which returns the first occurrence of the specified value. Example: my list equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Index of 3 equals my list. Index 3 hash returns 2. What is the purpose of the in keyword? Answer: the in keyword checks for membership in a collection, such as lists, strings, or dictionaries. Example: my list equals 1, 2, 3 exists equals 2 and my list hash returns true. How do you sort a list in Python? Answer: you can sort a list using the sort method, which sorts the list in place, or the sorted function, which returns a new sorted list. Example: my list equals 3, 1, 2. My list. Sort hash sorts in place sorted list equals sorted my list, hash returns a new sorted list. What is a list comprehension? Answer: a list comprehension is a concise way to create lists using a single line of code, often with a loop and an optional condition. Example: squared equals x2 for x in range 10, hash results in 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. How do you merge two lists? Answer: you can merge two lists using the plus operator, which concatenates them, or the extend method, which adds elements from one list to another. Example: list 1 equals 1, 2, 3, list 2 equals 4, 5, 6, merged underscore list equals list 1 plus list 2, hash results in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the difference between append and extend in lists? Answer: the append method adds a single element to the end of a list, while the extend method adds multiple elements from an iterable. Example: my underscore list equals 1, 2, 3, my underscore list. Append 4, 5, hash results in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, my underscore list. Extend 6, 7, hash results in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How do you reverse a list? Answer: you can reverse a list using the reverse method, which modifies the list in place, or by using slicing. Example: my underscore list equals 1, 2, 3, my underscore list. Reverse hash results in 3, 2, 1, reversed underscore list equals my underscore list minus 1, hash creates a new reversed list. What is the purpose of the join method in strings? Answer: the join method concatenates elements of an iterable, like a list, into a single string, with a specified separator. Example: fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. Result equals join fruits, hash results in apple, banana, cherry. How do you check if a string contains a substring? Answer: you can check for the presence of a substring using the in keyword, which returns true if the substring exists within the string. Example: my underscore string equals hello, world. Contains equals world and my underscore string, hash returns true. What are F strings in Python? Answer: F strings, or formatted string literals, allow you to embed expressions inside string literals using curly braces. They provide a concise and readable way to format strings. Example: name equals Alice, age equals 25, greeting equals F hello, name. You are, age, years old. Hash results in hello, Alice. You are 25 years old. Thank you for watching. Understanding Python data types is crucial for effective programming. We hope these questions and answers help you prepare for your next interview or enhance your Python skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below.